Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. And you probably noticed I'm suited and booted for this video, but I just wanted to do a very quick video for you on YouTube adverts and why I think I've effectively killed the growth on my channel by using YouTube adverts. So I just wanted to share it in case it's something you're considering. If you're close to that 1,000 subscribers or close to that 4,000 watch hours that you need to get monetized, stop, watch this video, and I'm going to share my story on what I think has effectively completely almost killed my channel and really slowed down the growth. So watch this all the way to the end to learn more about YouTube adverts and whether or not they work to grow your channel. So I'm in the car and I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a backstory. So my name's Andy. If we've not met before, nice to meet you. And thank you to all of those subscribers and members I've got on the channel. But I've got a channel called Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. And it's all about resin. It's all about my passion for art, for resin craft and for wood carving. So if you're interested in that, this is a bit of a different format. But I really put a lot of focus into this channel, probably over the last sort of 12 months to really grow it. I've had a channel for about 4 or 5 years, and I decided, you know what, this is the year that I'm going to really push it, get monetized, and really see what I can do with it. And so I was so close. So I want to take you back sort of 6 months, and I was at 750 subscribers, I think it was at that point. I'd not been uploading that frequently, and I wasn't surprised that I was monetized. That wasn't monetized. I think my watch hours are around 600, 700 hours. And at that point, I got a little ping in my email saying, have you thought about YouTube ads to grow your channel? And I thought to myself, do you know what? Advertising does sometimes work. In what I do in the day job, I advertise regularly. So I thought, why not give it a go? And I decided to invest around about £600 in different adverts on my better videos, I thought at the time, to try and grow the channel. And I thought at the time it was a great idea, but I just want to share with you what happened next. So, did it work? In a nutshell, yes, but it didn't as well, and it's really stunted my growth ever since. So did it work? Yes. Did I get more views? Yes, I did. Did I get more subscribers? Yes, I did. But how has it damaged my channel since, and how will it keep damaging my channel? That's what I wanted to go through. So we're going to get onto the computer, I'm going to get on the analytics, and I'm going to show you what happened and what's happened ever since. Here we go, guys, and we are on my analytics for my channel, which is Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. So back early in July is when I started to see YouTube promotions advertising and saying, come on, promote your channel with us. And the idea was that they basically push your videos to more viewers that are going to like the content. And this is what happened. So it blew up, literally. From the end of July, I spent in the region of £600 on different adverts, on different videos. And as you can see, the channel in views and subscriptions pretty much blew up. And there was 2 different times when it did. So it was mainly through YouTube advertising. So I'm just going to go back to the content now so you can have a look at that. But yeah, this is where it blew up. Again, with all of these sources was coming from YouTube advertising. So if I go to subscription source, that should give us a good metric. And if you can see, some of the days I was getting nearly 558 new subscribers from YouTube advertising, which you might think is great. But I want to go back and show you now a different metric, which isn't so great. So if I go back to my content, here we go. So this is the main performing content that you can see. Each one of these different blips are from YouTube advertising. This one here as well, which was when somebody that I work with, who works with the channel, agreed to sponsor a video for me. And I thought, you know what? That's brilliant. But the problem I've got since is, look at my impressions when it loads. So there we go. So these are my impressions since June again. Everyone that's advertised, you can see there's that blip in views, which is amazing. Another one with a blip in views, and you think that's going to do the channel well. The problem is, if I click on subscribers now as well, now you see with the adverts, we get a heck of a lot of new subscribers, which is amazing. But I want to go back now and just show you something else. So I want to go back and I want to just look at my content in general. So I'm going to close this down and I'm just going to use this chart because it's probably the easiest. Now, as you can see, in that period, my channel's got 150,000 views, which is brilliant. And I've got 7,300 subscribers. The problem I have is when I go to, again, I need to go back into analytics actually. If I look into my audience tab now, and I look at my viewers, and I specifically want to start looking at my audience a little bit more. And I'm just going to look for where my subscribers come from. So there you go. You're getting a bit of demographics on the channel as well. But let's go to an overview. Here we go. So if I go to subscribers, this tells me all of my subscribers, which is 7,000. I'm just going to scroll down for a second for you, if it lets me. I can just see it off screen. So let me see if I can make it bigger. And so if you can see, 5,523 of my subscribers came from YouTube promotions, which you might think's great, but I'm going to flip over to the other screen and show you why it's not, because the views have gone stagnant. Now that makes me think that by using YouTube promotions, you are actually causing damage to your channel, because I don't believe that these subscribers are real. And I think that as many as 5,000 subscribers out of my 7,500 subscribers are fake bots that are created by YouTube when you promote your videos. And I'll talk to you about that a bit more in a second. And so if you can see, 5,523 of my subscribers came from YouTube promotions, which you might think's great, but I'm going to flip over to the other screen and show you why it's not, because the views have gone stagnant. Now that makes me think that by using YouTube promotions, you are actually causing damage to your channel, because I don't believe that these subscribers are real. And I think that as many as 5,000 subscribers out of my 7,500 subscribers are fake bots that are created by YouTube when you promote your videos. And I'll talk to you about that a bit more in a second. So the problem I have is, since increasing my subscriber count so much, you would think that my views would go up, but the opposite has happened. And I'll tell you the reason why I think it's happening. Because the YouTube algorithm, the way that it works is initially it pushes out your new video to your subscribers to see what they think of it. And obviously, if enough of those watch it, it pushes it out to the next crowd of people. Enough of those watch it, it pushes it out to the next crowd. Now, the problem is, if I go back and I look into every one of those views and new subscribers, they all watch for precisely 31 seconds. Not a second more. And that's what makes me think that they're actually bots, not even real people. And the problem is with that is now I've probably got more fake subscribers than real subscribers, thanks to YouTube. Every time I push out a new video, they're not watching. So it tells the YouTube algorithm that my videos are poor quality, even though they've progressively got better And that's why my channel is now struggling. So my advice to you is, under any circumstances, do not use YouTube promotions. And they might take this video down, but do not be fooled. Do not spend your money, because it does not send your video to more real people. All you get is fake subscribers created by bots that doesn't help your channel. And if anything, it damages it. So again, I hope you found that useful. It's a bit of a different video to what I normally do on the channel, but I know a lot of the people in the resin community that follow me, the real subscribers, also are in YouTube. And then they might be thinking this, that actually if they're a few hundred away from that magic 1,000 or 4,000 watch hours, that it's worth trying YouTube promotions. Don't, is my advice, because I genuinely think, had I not have done that, my channel would probably be 2 or 3 times as big right now, with the level of content that's been going out and the amount of views that I see on comparable channels for the similar type of videos. So don't use YouTube promotions to grow your channel, because it will damage it. And I'm now left in the position where I'm actually deciding whether or not I want to continue with this channel, or whether I have to start a brand new one and start all over again. So let me know what you think in comments. If you found this content useful as well, I'm going to be doing a few more videos just on sort of YouTube and what I've learned throughout the past 5 years. So let me know in comments and I'll do a few more of those. But I hope you've liked the video. I hope you've learned something. And please, please do not use YouTube promotions to promote your videos, because you just get fake subscribers and waste your money. And if anything, it damages your channel rather than helps it. So I hope you've enjoyed it. And if it's the first time that you've seen me on the channel, because it's a slightly different subject, and you're into art, you're into resin, then do me a favor, subscribe, because my only hope with this channel now is that I eventually get to sort of 20, 30,000 subscribers, meaning those 5,000 fake ones won't count as much. So do me a favor, the QR code's up in the corner, and like and subscribe to the channel. It will do me a massive favor, and hopefully get this channel back on track. Thanks again for watching.
Welcome to our custom space, where dreams take flight. A party visions coming to life. It's a perfect sight. We born together, blooming free.